So welcome everyone to my channel, guys. So today I'm Dennis, and you can find me on TikTok and Instagram at exoticganel740. I explain and make trading crypto easy. For example, today we'll be covering on spot trading and understanding what it basically means to trade on the spot market of the various crypto exchanges that we have. For example, today I'll be using my Binance account. So as you can see, this is basically the layout of how the spot market looks like, and I will explain detail by detail. As you can see, here is the tokens we are trading at the moment. This is BTC stroke USDT. USDT is a stable coin, and BTC is the volatile coin. If you want to change that, you come around here and put whichever coin you want. You can select from this top trading list, or you can have your own. Maybe you want to trade Luna, you want to trade Ethereum, you type here, and then once you type maybe Ethereum, you select, and then the chart for Ethereum is displayed. So apart from that, we have this top panel here. This shows the price, the percentage change in 24 hours, meaning a time like this yesterday, the price was 137 above the current price, $137. And then you can see the average movement in 24 hours. You see it has been very volatile, and then we have the trading volume. So when you come down here, you have the market trades. Now these are the completed executed orders. They arrange themselves here, and these are the pending orders. You can see all these are pending. All these are pending sale orders. Then all these are pending buy orders. The good thing about Binance, and I'm not I'm not marketing them, or they are not paying me anything to say this, but the good thing about it is it's very liquid. As you can see, the price moves. It's easily to fill an order at Binance because the price, there are many participants, and it's easy to execute your trades. This is also determined by also the type of coin. There are some coins that are not very volatile, and there are others that are a bit volatile. You want to trade in coins that have at least a huge amount of liquidity in them, so that you can easily get in and get out of trades. So for example, this is BTC. You can see the volume is very high. It's around 9 billion trades, 9 billion in terms of USDT, and around 500,000 in terms of number of trades executed in the last 24 hours. And then now something else you need to understand is the buying. Let's say for example you want to buy at the current price, which is this is now the current price. You just select, and then the price appears here. Once it appears here, you specify the amount of stable coin you want to exchange for BTC. Let's say for example, as you can see, my balance is 1516. You can opt to buy 25%. You can also opt to reduce your risk by buying 50%. You can also opt to buy 75% or maybe 100%. Once you buy, your balance, now your BTC balance reflects here. Okay, and then you can then set also a sell order by actually doing the same, now picking from this side and then selling all of it, or choosing the amount you want to sell. But make sure at least your buying and selling price is different and you are at a profit. So There are different ways to fill orders. There is that method of selecting the price manually. It's called limit orders. And then there are market orders. Market orders are executed by the system. Maybe you are in a rush and you don't want the move to, you don't want to buy at a higher price than the current one. So you can put this market and then you put the amount of USDT you want. The system will execute at the best price at that time once you put the trade. And then there is this stop limit. Stop limit is used to control your risk. For example, let's say I bought BTC worth 1500 and I don't want to go a huge loss. Maybe I think the coin will go up, but you never know what might happen in the market. So once I buy, I can put a stop loss to tell the system if the price goes below this, I want to be out of that position. So for example, I can buy at 19,400 and put a stop loss at 19,350. What that means is if the price goes below 19,350, uh, the system will automatically execute a trade to sell my current position of Bitcoin and exchange them for stablecoin so that I don't keep going at a loss. Once you buy your crypto, you can also set, apart from setting the stop limit, you can also set now your take profit. Maybe you bought at 19,400 and you want to sell at 19,500. You can put the selling price immediately, and then once that price is achieved, it will automatically sell your coins. The other thing you need to note that is that at the bottom here is where you find now if you have a open order that is waiting to be executed, or your orders have been complete, and also you can see the funds. This is the tab that you use. For example, you can see open order, the order history shows a more summarized of the events that have happened in your spot account. As you can see, like for example, me, I have sold and bought many times, so the order history appears here. You can change even the months and the dates like that. And then now the trade history shows the specific price the coins were filled at. Let's say for example, for this order, you can see it was divided into 3 parts with 3 different prices. So apart from that, I can also tell you that once you have bought your coins, maybe now how do you fund the spot market? The way you want to transfer your coins, you just press this sign here, and then it will give you options. Maybe you want to deposit through different networks, you want to do an internal transfer, maybe you bought coins in the P2P market, now you want to transfer them to the spot market so that you can start trading. Or maybe you have a credit card or a debit card that can purchase things online, you can then use this option to purchase. So I think that's it, guys. Oh, I did not explain on the chart. Then on this chart, you can now put what we call indicators. They are now used to guide you whether you should sell or the type of position you should be in. At the bottom here, it shows the volume that has been traded in that time frame, maybe the 1 hour and 15 minutes, and so on. And then around here, it shows the current candle. These are called candlesticks. What it means that if it is red, all these are sell orders that are being executed, meaning that the market is on a downtrend. If it is in green, meaning that most people are buying, so many buy orders, hence pushing the price upwards. So you can expand this. Once you do like that, you can then add other components to your chart to help you in decision making. Maybe you want to check things like the resistance, you want to draw lines. You can draw trend lines, you can draw vertical, crosses, parallel, or ray. You can choose from the type of lines you want to draw. Let's say, for example, you want to analyze on a daily time frame. As you can see, maybe let me put the trend line. As you can see, the price has been basically moving along that level. So you can put now a buy order. Once the price gets to this price, you can put it in, forehand, so that when the price reaches here, it automatically fills itself, and then you can then lower the price just a little bit, and put a stop loss just in case the price does not bounce back on this is it resistant or support level. In case it does not get supported at this level, so that you cannot incur a loss, you can put a stop loss just below. So you can there are various ways you can also use to analyze charts. There are these retracements, and then you can also add things like these moving averages. You can see at the moment this one has a moving average of 7 candles. The one that has this color, the purple one, has 25 candles, and the blue one is 99 candles. So it calculates the average. For example, this purple one is calculating the average price for the last 25 candles, and then it gives you a trend line. So there are various ways to know whether to buy or to sell. There are various indicators that are used. I think I will cover that in another video. But for the moment, for the time being, I hope you have understood the various details of the spot market tab, and you are now familiar and can now be able to trade and place trades comfortably. Thank you. Please like the channel if you find it useful, and refer it to your friends. You can also subscribe so that once I post new content, you don't miss out. So thank you guys. Have a good time.